Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the 509. Today is Thanksgiving Eve 2024, and we're in the shop here making some metal, and wanted to share this with you guys real quick. We're going to make a piece of flashing that needs to go around this radius. Let me zoom back a little bit so you can see. Around this radius here. So it needs to come flat from the decking over to this foam and then wrap over about halfway, more or less, and then have a little kick on it for a drip edge. See it? And so we're going to make this real quick, and I'll show you how we do it here, and it shouldn't be too long. Stand by. So in this case here, what we're going to do is we're going to measure. What we're going to do is we're just going to make, like, I don't know, they kind of remind me of facets, but we're going to make 1/4 inch marks, and we're going to just put it in the brake and break it gently and see if we can get that radius like that. And then once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and flip it around and do this kick on there for a drip edge. So I'll mark it out right here real quick and on the other side, and then we'll get to breaking it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and break this, and what we're going to do is we're just going to put it on each line, as I was saying earlier. And these are 1/4 inch lines that I drew, and then on the other side, well, the first one is a 1/2 inch in because we had to allow a 1/4 inch for the other side when we do that little kick for the drip edge. So I put 5 of them here, and we should be able to make that radius. So let's do that real quick. All right, so now we got it back on the bench here, and you can see the foam that goes in there. So now at that point right there, that other red mark there, we're going to go ahead and bend that for a kick to make it like a drip edge. All right, so there it is. Let's finish product there with the little kick on it. And so it'll shed water, and it's actually going to go like this. So this molding is going to be vertical like this, and then this flashing is going to flash on the deck like this. So, all right. I was going to mention to y'all real quick that I'm going to put some affiliate links on the some Amazon affiliate links in the description if you could go by and check that out. And also, if you like this video, as a quick one, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and mark the bell notifications so you can get notified next time we do some videos. So happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys back here at the 509. Take care.